Are you suffering from erectile dysfunction? Did you try the blue pill and it didn't work, so you gave it up? Do you feel that medications are not helpful? In this video, we will go through 6 steps that you need to follow for optimal results of the medications. 1. Be persistent. Many men find success only after multiple attempts of taking the tablets. Studies show success rates improve with repeated use from 54% after the first try to 86% after the 8th try. Possible reasons for that are anxiety or incorrect timing during the early attempts. 2. Adjust the dose. The initial prescribed dose might be too low for you. Sildenafil can go up to 100 milligrams. Tadalafil can also have higher doses up to 20 milligrams a day. Consult your doctor about increasing the dose if the current dose isn't effective. 3. Use the medication correctly. Timing. Take sildenafil 30 to 60 minutes before sexual activity, with effects lasting up to 4 hours. Tadalafil offers a longer window, up to 36 hours. Therefore, it doesn't have to be taken shortly before intercourse, which increases the spontaneity of the sexual activity while on tadalafil, making it more desirable for many compared with sildenafil. Sexual stimulation is still required. These medications need arousal to work. Arousal releases a chemical called nitric oxide, which triggers a cascade of reactions, resulting in relaxation of the blood vessels. Both sildenafil and tadalafil will still need nitric oxide to work, and their role comes further down the cascade of reactions to ensure that the nitric oxide achieve its full desired effects. Avoid high-fat meals. Fatty foods delay absorption, reducing effectiveness of the medications. 4. Manage lifestyle factors. Avoid excessive alcohol on the day of use. Limit to 1 drink. Quit smoking as it impairs blood flow. Address underlying conditions like diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure. Change medications if needed. For example, with regards to B-blockers, atenolol has a better side effect profile on erectile dysfunction compared with metoprolol or propranolol. 5. Monitor overall health. Improve vascular health through diet, exercise, and medical management. Get a hormonal evaluation to check testosterone levels. Treat any underlying medical conditions impacting erectile dysfunction. In fact, erectile dysfunction could be an early sign of a serious cardiac or vascular conditions because the vessels to the shaft are much smaller than those to the heart or other organs, and they start to block first and cause erectile dysfunction before other conditions manifest, like heart attacks or limb ischemia. 6. Seek medical advice. Discuss openly with your doctor, even if the topic feels sensitive. Ask about higher doses or alternative medications, switching from sildenafil to tadalafil or another option. Referral to a specialist if primary care is insufficient. Takeaway message. Erectile dysfunction is often manageable with the right approach. Persistence, correct usage, lifestyle adjustments, and open communication with your doctor can significantly improve outcomes. Don't hesitate to advocate for your health and seek the resources you need to succeed. This is the end of the video. I hope you found it educational and informative. Please consider sharing and subscribing to the channel to help its growth. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.